Cloud-based security systems that store data in a secure data center is cutting-edge technology today, using cameras that stream live video to any PC or mobile device. IO Solutions offers the end user a total package that includes cameras, installation, and storing information on the company cloud for a fixed monthly fee. Our system can interface with other systems, such as emergency buttons, health monitoring devices, alarm systems, home automation systems, and more. Imagine a situation where a problem is detected, a burglary, water leak, broken window, and the owner is far away. What can he do? Who can help? With our system, help is immediate. An instant message, a pop-up window for online viewing that can be seen by the user or a monitoring company.
Or another situation where a senior citizen lives alone at home and suddenly the health monitoring bracelet indicates an immediate health problem. Is this a false alarm? What happens until the medical staff arrives? With our system, you could even talk to the person through the camera. These are only two examples out of so many others that happen in real time. And with our system, help is available.
Our business model is based upon establishing joint venture partnerships. Partners who deal with security, home safety, health monitoring, and communications. We are searching for those who want innovation and success to join us in this technology of tomorrow.